Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Sona's English podcast. Just a quick reminder, the voice you hear is truly mine, not an AI. I'm an English language teacher. I record every lesson myself for a natural experience. This session is a listening and shadowing practice. The topic is the new year, but in a very practical way. We are not talking about big dreams. We are not talking about motivation. We are talking about things people usually do, things people usually say, and situations that happen before, during, and after the new year. You will hear useful English, then you will shadow with me. Listen first, then speak with me. Let's begin. Before the new year starts, many people prepare in small ways. Some people clean their homes. They throw away old things. They organize drawers. They tidy their desks. Some people check their calendars. They look at holidays. They write down important dates. Others review the past year. They think about what worked. They think about what didn't work. Many people also talk about plans with friends or family. They say things like, I might travel this year. I want to focus more on my health. I'm thinking about changing jobs. These conversations are very common at the end of the year. Now, shadow with me. Before the new year, I usually clean my space. I get rid of things I don't use anymore. I organize my desk and my files. I like starting the year with a clean environment. I check my calendar for important dates. I think about my schedule. I talk with friends about their plans. We share ideas and expectations. I don't plan everything in detail. I just prepare step by step. Now listen to me. On New Year's Day, people do different things. Some people stay at home. Some people visit family. And some people rest. Many people wake up late. They have a relaxed morning. Some people eat special food. Others keep it simple. People often send messages. Happy New Year! Wishing you a great year. Hope everything goes well. These messages are polite and friendly. They are part of social connection. Now, shadow with me. On New Year's Day, I usually wake up later than usual. I have a slow breakfast. I check my messages and reply to friends. I send New Year wishes to people I care about. I spend time with my family. I enjoy some quiet time alone. I don't rush into work. I give myself time to rest. I take the day calmly. Now listen to me. After the new year starts, people often talk about plans. Not goals, just plans. They use simple language. For example, I'm planning to study more. I'm going to work on my English. I want to save some money. I need to manage my time better. These sentences are very common in daily conversations. You don't need big words to talk about plans. Simple English is enough. By the way, what are your New Year's plans? Write one of your plans in the comments for me. Now, shadow with me. This year, I plan to improve my English. I want to practice a little every day. I don't want to study too much at once. I prefer short, regular practice. I am trying to manage my time better. I want to keep a simple routine. I am open to learning new things. I will see how the year goes. Now listen to me. During the first weeks of the year, people often ask, "How was your new year? Did you do anything special? Any plans for this year?" These are simple questions. They are used at work, with friends, and in casual conversations. You don't need long answers. Simple answers are natural. Shadow with me. My new year was quiet and relaxing. I didn't do anything special. I spent time with my family. I mostly stayed at home. I have a few plans, but nothing fixed yet. I'm taking things one step at a time. Good job for staying with me. This practice focused on real English, everyday actions, common conversations, natural sentences. This is the kind of English people actually use around the new year. This is Sona, and you're listening to Sona's English podcast. Come back again for more listening and shadowing practice. See you next time.